Introducing the 2023 Skoda Kodiaq 7S Sportline 2.0tdi, the perfect blend of style, comfort and performance. With a sleek grey exterior and a powerful 2-litre diesel engine, this automatic Estatejeep is sure to impress. Packed with luxurious features like Sat Nav, Ambient Lighting and wireless charging, this vehicle is designed for ultimate convenience. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. The Skoda Kodiaq also comes with a chrome package, privacy glass and roof rails for added style and security. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and servicing to manufacturer's standards. Don't miss out. Call us or visit burnscarsales.ie for more information today.